Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Saint. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of creating our first Spring Boot application using Spring Initializr. Spring Initializr is a web-based tool that makes it easy to develop and bootstrap a new Spring Boot project with your preferred dependencies. I am Pallav and I have around 13 years of experience in Java and microservices world. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Spring Initializr. This is official Spring Initializr website where we will configure and generate our Spring Boot project. Here, you can configure various aspects of your Spring Boot project. Let's go through the configuration options. You can select the Maven or the Gradle project. You can also select the language of your choice. We are selecting Java. As of now, we are selecting the latest stable version. Let's provide the necessary information such as group, artifact ID, and the name of the project. We can select the packaging option, jar or var. Now, we can select the Java version that you want to use. We will be selecting Java 21, which is again the latest stable version of the Java. Now, let's add some dependencies to our project. Click on the Add Dependencies button and search for the dependencies you need. For this tutorial, let's add Spring Web to enable the web development. After configuration of your project and adding dependencies, click on the Generate button. This will download the zip file containing your Spring Boot project with the specified configurations and dependencies. Once the zip file is downloaded, extract the content of your preferred location. You can use your favorite IDE for Java development. In this tutorial, I will be using IntelliJ IDEA. Open your IDE and import the project by selecting the POM file if you are using the Maven, or build or Gradle if you are using the Gradle configurations. Let's take a look at the project structure. You will find the main applications typically named application at the end or similar. This class contains the main method to run your Spring Boot application. Now let's run our Spring Boot application. Right-click on the main application and select Run and choose Run the main method. This will start the embedded Tomcat server and you should see the application starting up in the console. Open your web browser and navigate to http localhost 8080 or the specified port in your application properties. You should see a default Spring Boot welcome page or any custom page that you have defined. Thanks for watching till the end. As we explored the process of creating our first Spring Boot application using Spring Initializr, I hope you found this tutorial helpful and it provided you a solid foundation to kickstart your Spring Boot development journey. If you found it useful, do subscribe to the channel